Here in our growing greenhouses, we've got a secret whenever we're taking cuttings in order to get them to root. And that secret has everything to do with this right here. Good timing. This right here is a propagation table, and this is where we will stick our cuttings. In this case, we've got some sweet potato vine cuttings growing here and getting ready for spring. And what we've done is we've built a network of PVC pipes all over this table with risers that come up to specialized misting heads that are going to spray a fine mist of water. However, you wouldn't want this mist to be on all the time because the plants would then rot or get fungal diseases. So we have to control the level of the mist in order to make sure that the plants don't stay too wet for too long or dry out too much. So in order to fine tune our levels of moisture, we use this specialized timer. You can see the model here, and it actually has 2 settings per zone. This is a 6-zone clock, so each zone will allow you to show the minutes between the cycle. Right now we are set to every 10 minutes, this is going to cycle or turn on, and then the seconds during the cycle. So this one right now is set to run for 4 seconds each time it kicks on. So depending on what stage of the cuttings we have them in and what the weather's doing, we will adjust those 2 dials to make sure that our plants are staying moist, but not too soggy for prolonged periods of time. And that is the secret for keeping our plants healthy. Unfortunately, it always seems to kick on right when you're walking by it. Dang it. And you gotta walk back.